Hi, it's me.
Hello, it's me again, and I'm still alive. Guys, I got a plant mail. Yes, look how pretty. So I was asked by Olgasdreamland from YouTube and Olgasdreamland from Instagram to open this on camera, and I will. So, short story, there was a Instagrammer
Post her journey and everything in the description box, and she had a beautiful Stapelia variegata in bloom, and her son kind of broke the pot or crushed in the pot, and this Stapelia variegata broke off, and I got a cutting. So now I will put in a little bit of rooting hormone or cinnamon and put it in the soil. I have no idea whatsoever how to care for it, so I will Google it, and if you have your own information or experience on how to care for it, let me know in the description down below, or email me, and my email is also down below in the description box. So anyway, it looks very promising, so give me a green heart in the comment section for this little plant so it will survive. Thank you so much, Olgasdreamland, for asking me to do a video about it, and here it is. Once again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye! Hello, I'm alive, and I have a good news. I just came back from work, and on my way home I saw this plant shop, tiny plant shop, and I was thinking, well, let me see if they have something different. And they did have something different. They had Cereus spiralis. So now I'm gonna repot that beauty, and also they had very cheap Pachycereus pringlei, quite cheap, so I just had to. It's huge. Yeah, I will repot this one too, because I do not believe they have a right. I do not believe they have a right medium, so I will repot this one too. So stay with me if you want to see me repotting. So as always, I do my own mix, and I have as usual clay balls and pumice and cactus mix, soil mix, and add that. Push me mix that. So this is how it looks like. This one will need a drink. It's so dry, poor. And a little bit root bound. So I will probably use a bigger pot. Just a bit. Put a little bit of mix here. See how it fits, and it fits perfectly. So, and this one I will soak for like 20 minutes or something, so it will get a really good drink. It's perfect. So here is my baby, and I need to see how it's potted. Good mixture actually. Oh yeah, now I understand. Okay then. Let me mix that one with my own. So I need to see if it's leveled. Good. So I really want this to be very good leveled. I'm telling you, ouch. Ah! Ow! Not fun. Oh. So guys, now I think this one is nicely leveled and with nice dressing on top. Anyway, I don't think this got water in a quite long time, and I want him to settle before we are moving, so it has a few months to give some new roots. And thank you for being with me here. I see you soon in my next video. Bye.